WhatsApp has recently launched the official rollout of WhatsApp payments in Brazil. When WhatsApp has its largest user base in India, why does it go for the second biggest? That is what we are going to see in this video. I am J.H. Chandran. In this episode of Beeple's Big Bees, we are going to see about the new WhatsApp payments feature and make a little analysis on when shall we expect the feature in India. You already know that Facebook Pay is available across many countries around the world, but not in India. Something suspicious, right? We shall see that later in this video, but before that, we shall see the new WhatsApp payments feature as fast as possible. WhatsApp payment is a child of Facebook Pay as other apps of Facebook like Instagram and Messenger. It was similar to other apps that uses Facebook Pay. Money is directly transferred between the accounts. It now has only a handful of bank accounts in Brazil such as Banco de Brazil, Nubank, Sicredi and Whoop. The users with debit card or Visa or MasterCard can also use it. Credit cards can only be used for WhatsApp business account that had set up Facebook Pay. The payment feature is established and enabled by Facebook Pay, but the processing of the payment is handled by Cielo, which is the biggest operator of debit and credit cards in Brazil. When it comes to account setup, WhatsApp is sticking as we've seen in the history of WhatsApp. So they applied the same in the payments feature too. Just enter a 6-digit Facebook Pay PIN and enable fingerprint authentication and enter your details. After a simple verification, your payment feature is set up. Hereafter, go to the chat screen to whom you want to send and send money as you would send media files in WhatsApp by entering a PIN. So easy. Sending and receiving money from your friends or family is free with no additional cost or tax. But not for businesses. You can do all the things you can do using regular WhatsApp, but when it comes to sale, you have processing fee. Selling means posting a product from your business account and whomever wants to buy the product can view it and make payments using WhatsApp Pay. In Brazil, right now the fee is about 3.99% per transaction. When sending money to friends using WhatsApp Pay, you have limit of 1000 Brazilian real per transaction and receiving limit of 20 transactions per day and 5000 Brazilian real per month. But luckily, WhatsApp Pay for business merchant doesn't have any limits. India is the biggest marketplace. If the product that you have has worth, you feel like you are traveling in a rocket. That's the main reason why many companies target India. It is also the problem for heavy competition of any product that you have. Similarly for payments, there are dozens of platforms already exist. Google Pay and Flipkart's PhonePe are the leaders in the payment field in India. Paytm is homegrown and it has lots of features too. It holds a third place in Indian payment marketplace. These three top players itself hold 91% of total digital payments in India. But in here, WhatsApp does not need any invitation to its user as it is extremely popular and widely used. Thus, 2 years ago on February 8, 2018, WhatsApp rolled out the beta version of WhatsApp Pay in India. It was a success with quick reach of about 1 million active users for a beta version of the app. So it is a sure shot that the launch of WhatsApp payments could be a huge success in India. Now, WhatsApp Pay in Brazil is backed with card-based transactions. Users can register their debit or credit card to make transactions. But in India, there's already an easy mode of transaction, UPI, which is primarily used by all the other competitors. For the beta version of WhatsApp Pay, they use the UPI-based transactions. And soon, they also announced to go live with the feature in India. Then there comes the problem. The UPI is established and maintained by the Reserve Bank of India. The beta version of WhatsApp had some problems with the RBI's guidelines. So the RBI filed a complaint against WhatsApp for disobeying them. Currently, WhatsApp is working on to correct the mistakes. So when the problem resolves, we can expect WhatsApp to go live in India. Do you know that 2 months ago in April, WhatsApp invested $5.7 billion in Reliance's Jio platforms? And do you notice that Jio's JioPay is not listed in the list of top 10 payment platforms of India? Now, early this month, Reliance launched JioMart, an e-commerce firm. Could you find any correlation among them? If yes, comment your answer in the comment box. Else, follow along with me, I'll explain. The investment of Facebook in Jio platforms gained 9.99% stake for Facebook in Jio. Meanwhile, JioPay is struggling to gain reach. And on the other hand, WhatsApp has good reach in India but struggling to follow along with the RBI guidelines. Somehow getting related, right? That's it. In future, we may expect Jio and Facebook to make a collaboration and successfully launch a payment platform in India. That's it for today. Like and share if you like the content and subscribe to our channel for more analysis and quality videos. Thanks for watching.